A post-90s member of the Communist Party of China in a village in China's Henan has been helping residents increase income by teaching them how to operate agricultural drones. Li Shufan is a veteran drone operator in Xishui Mowan village with 5 years of experience. In 2019, Li started trying agricultural plant protection UAVs in the wheat field. After mastering the skills, she earned more than 10,000 yuan with her husband in the second year. She started training villagers in 2021. Now, more and more residents have acquired the skills and obtained more job opportunities.
近5年来，我这边在咱们村也培训了有将近20名的飞手，包括一些在家带孩子的宝妈，跟我一样的。然后现在他们自己也有了收入，日子也越过越好了。
经过老师耐心细致的培训，对无人机操作技术已经了解的差不多了。预计今年秋季每天就能有400至600的收入，心里非常高兴。
这开书饭年轻，帮我们办了很多实事，无人机让我们也享受到现代化农业服务的好处。